Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are diving in and we are looking at can you swing trade on Robinhood. We're going to be talking about the pros, the cons, and maybe is there better options elsewhere when it comes to a broker and swing trading. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions, by all means, ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, I just released a fantastic new course where you guys have access to a chat room. You guys have lectures, quizzes. It's an 8-week course where we talk about swing trading and the psychology behind it. I'll put it down below so you guys can sign up. But let's dive into this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. All right, so before we talk about can you swing trade on Robinhood, first, we need to understand what Robinhood is. Well, Robinhood is a stockbroker, so it allows people to buy and sell stocks, and you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on it. But overall, one of the main reasons why Robinhood has gotten so incredibly popular is because they offer something called fraction shares, meaning you don't need to buy full shares of companies. You can invest into a company with as little as $1. Another reason why it's incredibly popular is because how easy it is to use. They make it really easy to hop in the driver's seat and pretty much just start investing, which can be a good thing, but can be a bad thing. Because if you're inexperienced and you don't know what you're doing, there's no crash course on what you're doing. Also, Robinhood does have a 1% match on IRA accounts, which is pretty much the only broker to do that. And an IRA account is pretty much just a tax incentivized retirement account. And honestly, those are like the main reasons why a lot of people love Robinhood, but Robinhood does have some drawbacks. Now let's talk about the things that they could improve on. One of the biggest things, especially with swing trading, is the charts. The charting is decent at best. There is a lot better options elsewhere when it comes to stock charts. You know, if you compare Robinhood and you compare MooMoo, MooMoo blows them out of the water just because you can do so much more to them. You can customize them, add different studies, and a variety of things. Another thing that Robinhood could improve on is having a paper trading account. This would be game changer. Paper trading is just simulated money. As traders, our job is to trade the market. And in order to do so properly, we need to practice. And having a simulated account is a great way to practice. And with that being said, Robinhood does not offer paper trading. So I definitely think that, you know, for me at least, if I was going to sign up with a broker, I think Robinhood is great for people that are just starting out with investing and investing only. Investing, maybe getting the feel of the markets, understanding buying, selling, what ETFs are, stocks are, stuff like that. And maybe for people that don't really care about, and maybe for people that really don't care about swing trading or trading in general, Robinhood is a great option. But if you're gonna swing trade or possibly swing trade, then I would recommend a different broker. The broker I would recommend is MooMoo. MooMoo has great charting, it has great features, it has fantastic scanners, it has artificial intelligence tools like the AI monitor. They have a variety of different things to help traders. But for long-term investing, I honestly would probably choose Robinhood over MooMoo. But for swing trading, MooMoo is just more of a trading tool. But to answer that question of can you swing trade with Robinhood, obviously the answer is yes, but I do think there is better options elsewhere when it comes with swing trading and brokers in general. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to sign up for my course, I'll put it down below. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Take care.